Matter of Maria Archibald versus Angel Rodriguez, file number 2005-29663. That matter has been dismissed. In the matter of Mackenzie Anderson versus Nicholas Wagatha, file number 2013-39610 DS. That matter has been adjourned to July 17th at 8 a.m. Somebody Harrison here. All right, we'll flip the podium. All right, in the matter of Jessica Newland versus Cody Harris, file number 2018-45915 DP. Mr. Harris is present in person. Ms. Newland is via Zoom. This matter has been dismissed by the friend court, so you must be compliant with whatever needs to be done. All right, thank you both very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set, Ms. Newland. Have a gentleman who just popped. What is your name, please?
Christian Davenport.
Okay. And I have somebody with a dark screen that says BINAE. I just sent your request to unmute your device.
Hi, my name is Sabrina Rivera.
All right, hold on a second.
Let me turn some light on here.
Okay, so, all right, Ms. Rivera, I'm going to change your screen name.
Oh, I can't.
Sir, you're like in court, so you got to be quiet, all right? All right, I just changed your name. And sir, what is your name again?
Christian Davenport.
All right. Let's see. Davenport. Right, this is in the matter of Nicole Marie Davenport versus Christian Robert Davenport, file number 2019-46565 TM. I do not have Holder Davenport. Courtroom. All right, so Mr. Davenport, we are here again on a show cause for failure to pay child support. You have a monthly charge of $411, an arrearage in excess of $4,085. We were last here on May 15th. We were present on the record for the show cause. You made your online payment. You were ordered to pay the month of June the week prior to adjournment. The last payment we have is May 16th for $500. So, sir, did you make the June payment?
I just made a $200 payment, ma'am.
Are you smoking? Dude, you can't smoke.
No,
All right.
I just made a $200 payment this morning, so I could afford it at the moment. I currently had to move, so and the arrearage here on this piece of paper says $3,763.
That probably has gone up, or
No,
yeah, I mean it goes up by $400 every month. So, all right, so you made a payment of $200, so you still need to make a payment before the end of June, correct? So, yep. I am going to set this over to July 17th and require you to come in person.
Can I ask a question, Your Honor?
Sure.
How come I owe the less of a lot of people that you're taking to court every month, and yet I got to come in and report to you every month on a $3,000 arrears payment for child support?
So here's what I'll do. I will bring you back every single month to make sure you make payments.
So, but what I'm saying is,
And then if you make every payment for like 6 months, the front of the court worker might dismiss the show cause. But if the only way I can get you to make a payment is to bring you in every single month, I will do that.
well, when I've told you guys over and over again that this is just a little insane, and I think this whole matter should be dismissed of being that.
But you haven't made your payment, so I'm not
Davenport
gonna
has
dismiss
family
it.
that works in front of the court. Miss Adams is related to Nicole and Peggy Adams. So how is
I
that
don't even know
even
who those
fair?
people are. I don't know who Peggy Adams is.
Miss Adams does.
Who's Miss Adams, my secretary?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, I don't know anything about you, and unfortunately, that's part of life, but my judicial assistant has nothing to do with front of the court. So I will adjourn this to July 17th, and it'll be in person. I expect you to make the remainder of your June payment, and then at least half your July payment by then. So we'll see you back on July 17th in person. All right?
Have a good one.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have fucking enough of this shit, man.
Well, next time I can put you in jail for contempt, so watch your mouth. All right, Sabrina. There. And Juan Rocha is here. Is it Roca or Rocha?
It's Rocha.
Okay. All right, Mr. Rocha, how are you today?
All right, how are you, ma'am?
Good. You were ordered to appear in person today, correct?
I don't know.
Well, I do because I told you to. So, all right. So you want to head on over?
Where to?
The
I gotta-
courthouse?
Well, I have to walk.
Okay. Well, you only live on Maple Avenue, so I think you'll be all right.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, Mr. Rivera, I'm going to put you in the waiting room.
Okay, thank you.
Bradley Hayes in the courtroom. So I don't have a Bradley, let me see, Hayes on my docket. Let me look again. Oh, there he is at the bottom. All right, this is in the matter of Vivian Saravia versus Bradley Thomas Hayes. File number 1985-7633 DP. Mr. Hayes was ordered to appear. This is an arrearage only case. He has an arrearage of $42,466.70. We received a payment of $35.10 on June 20th. He has failed to appear. See him in my waiting room. So I'm going to issue a bench warrant and I'm going to set bond in the amount of $2,500.
I'm sorry.
$2,500 cash.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, that was 2,500.
Cash, yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jamal Davis. All right, this is in the matter of Georgia Wynette Tyndall versus Jamal Asmont Davis, file number 2005-29090 DP. This is a date and time set for show cause. What's this other one? Two this morning. Then we also have Ashley Nicole Hahn versus Jamal Davis, file number 2017-4030 DS. Find this other one. Okay, on file number 2005-29090, there's an arrearage in excess of $14,707.96. The last payment we received was $51.92 on October 29th, 17. Parental rights were terminated on that file, and then on file number 2017-44030 DS, he's ordered to pay $173 a month. He has arrearage in excess $12,598.36. He's failed to appear. Issue a bench warrant for the rest on both files. Set bond in the amount of $1,500 on each file. In the matter of Sarah Mae Warner versus Joel Warner. This is a date and time scheduled for a show cause in the matter of Sarah Mae Warner versus Joel K. Warner, file number 2007-31182 DM. This is an arrearages only file. There's an arrearage of $18,155.06. The last payment we received was $445.52 on July 14th, 2022. Did we receive any, I know Stevenson's not here, but an income withholding was sent out in May, so there's been no payments on that income withholding.
What it sounds like, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. And I'll set bond in the amount of $2,500.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, you broke up. What was the bond?
$2,500.
Thank you.
still have Ann Rest versus Frank Rest, file number 2002-25364 DM on my docket. I thought the last time we were here it was dismissed, but that's been adjourned to August 14th at 8 a.m.
I do show it as adjourned to August 14th, Your Honor.
All right, so. Miss Adams, I believe Miss Rice is in custody at the Lenawee County Jail, so I'm going to need her.
You need her to know it was dismissed, Judge.
Was it dismissed?
Yeah, I already told the jail we didn't need her.
Okay, so in the matter of, let me bring him in because I got his other one. Is Mr. Spresser in the courtroom? All right, in the matter of so in the matter of Stephanie Rice versus Joseph Spresser, file number 2022-49425 DS, that matter was dismissed. There's another one though. Right, in the matter of Lisa Tarver versus Joseph Spresser, file number 2007-32101 DS. This is the date and time set for show cause in this matter. It was picked up on a bench warrant June 11th of 23 and appeared on June 12th of 23. We released him on a PR bond and adjourned the hearing to June 16th of 23 at 8 a.m. Must have been adjourned again to today.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry. That was a typo. He was adjourned till this morning, the 26th.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. He's ordered to pay. He's not made any payments. Surprised he's not here. Showed up with other stuff. All right, I'll issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And I'll set bond in the amount of $1,500. Mr. Clark, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, good morning. So this is in the matter of Vertez Darnell Clark versus Shauna May Clark, file number 2011-37227 DM. All right, so Mr. Clark, we've adjourned this a couple times because of friend of the court support reviews and objections.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you had an objection hearing to a friend of the court support review. As of Friday, we did not have an order generated. Is there one now, Mr. Vasquez, or no?
I don't believe the referee has done the order yet. So I'm not sure what the new amount will be if it's changed.
Okay, so Mr. Clark, I had ordered that you pay, I think I did, $50 every month until we came back or something. Is that correct?
Yeah, about 50 a week. I was trying.
Oh. Okay. All right.
Every-
So Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right, and we need that order. The hearing was,
22nd, June 22nd.
so the actual hearing was last week?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Clark, I'm gonna order that you keep paying the $50 a week. You need to find employment because you've been paying. I'm going to adjourn this to July 17th, just to get that new order to see what your new child support order will be. So we'll see you back July 17th at 8 a.m. All right, if you gain employment, you need to let your caseworker know. All right.
Say that again, ma'am, about the appointment.
I want you to be looking for a job, and when you get employment, let Mr. Vasquez know where you're working so they can do an income withholding.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Clark.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Armentrout, you want to come up? Sending connection information to Mr. Cleveland. Mr. Cleveland, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
All right, this is in the matter of Tiffany Rose Armentrout versus Brian Scott Cleveland, file number 2013-39212DS. So this is, let's see, the last time we were here on May 8th of 2023, the court ordered that Mr. Cleveland would have one weekly supervised visit with Linda Edwards. Immediately following the dismissal of the show cause, Ms. Armentrout began denying parenting time again. She emailed and called friend of court saying she didn't know what the pretrial order was or when it commenced. Friend of the court spoke with Linda Edwards to get an update on parenting time situation. She said that she attempted to contact Ms. Armentrout to schedule visitation, but did not hear back from her for a few days. When she finally did hear from her, Tiffany claimed she did not have an order or know what the order was. Linda also stated Tiffany informed her she would not be bringing the minor child at any visitation. All right, so Ms. Armentrout, so this is a contempt proceeding. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you were present in the courtroom when I ordered supervised parenting time, were you not?
No, not on the 8th. And my documentation, there was not a time for that meeting. There was only times for when the children met with you.
No, you were here when I ordered it. Originally, I ordered it in Judge Olsaver's courtroom.
I have the order with me that does not have a date for that time. It has a date, but not a time. So it made me assume.
Doesn't have a
you were
time
making
for
your
what?
choice To be here.
Okay,
On the
what time do you
8th.
always have to be here? So I apologize, but you're here today.
I am here today.
But you were here when I ordered that there be parenting time supervised.
Prior to you meeting with the children, yes.
Okay,
But you were meeting with the children in regards to that.
okay.
And I was waiting on that order, I believe is the name of the document that comes from your decision, and that did not come to my house until May 31st. Brian filed the show calls with friend of court on my birthday, the 25th. I had not yet received it, and I was in communication with Mrs. Edwards. When I told her I wasn't going to bring the children to.
Do you have the order now?
I do now. I had it as of the 31st, and I.
Okay, so what does the order say now?
The order says that, well, the original. Okay, and your decision was. In a session dated May 8th, Tiffany Armentrout was not present. For the record, for the show cause hearing, parenting time with minor child Isabel is to be at her discretion. Parenting time with minor child Ryland shall continue to be supervised with Linda Edwards 1 day a week. Show cause dismissed. Does not say when it's supposed to start.
Okay, so when Miss Edwards called you to schedule it, did you set up a time?
When I called her prior to the 21st. She called me the 22nd-ish. They scheduled a visit on the 23rd without communicating with me. Did not have the order yet, didn't even know what I was complying to. And so I said, no, until I have the order, I would like to know what I'm complying to.
Okay, so now you have the order.
Exactly. And
All right,
I've been
Mr.
in
Cleveland,
contact with her.
have you been able to contact Miss Edwards? Mr. Cleveland, I can't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have you been able to reach out and schedule a more recent date with Miss Edwards for supervised visitation?
Miss Edwards said that she's not going to schedule anything because Tiffany is unreliable and she can't. Her time is her time.
I believe that's hearsay if I tell you what anybody says about him, right?
I can't hear you.
You've told me in prior hearings that when I tell you what a psychiatrist says, for instance, that's hearsay.
Well, we're not.
I have all of my
So,
communications.
all right, so you're going, Mr. Cleveland, what is your work schedule again?
Mondays and Tuesdays I have off.
Okay, so Ms. Armentrout, you are going to call and schedule visitation either today or tomorrow. Or if there's nothing available today or tomorrow, next Monday or Tuesday, and you're gonna set it up with Miss Edwards. If you fail to appear, I'm gonna assess the cost of the visitation. You understand?
I have already tried to contact her. She has not replied since the 1st of June.
Okay, keep trying.
I have been.
Okay, Miss Hellam, is there anyone else through front of the court that does it? Doesn't it, Miss Moore Duncan does it as well?
It does the unsupervised.
I'm sorry?
I'm
Yes.
sorry, you want
supervised.
somebody that does unsupervised parenting? No one that I know of now. I used to, but I don't do it anymore. Have they gone to what is it? I think it's, or is that it? LC?
L&L, they've been going through Linda Edwards.
Is that through LNL? Yeah. John Bailey does. That's the only other one that I know of.
didn't know
Unless they
John
go
Bailey.
through, unless they go through CPS.
Your Honor, every time I've tried to get a hold of Miss Edwards, she's responded.
She hasn't?
She has.
Okay, so why don't you do this, Mr. Cleveland? Why don't you set up a time as soon as her next available Monday or Tuesday? Set up a time and you guys communicate through app close?
I'm sorry, through what?
An app, how do you two communicate at all?
Us
Mr.
too.
Cleveland and you?
No, you previously made an order where he's not supposed to contact
Okay.
me.
Well, I don't
In
remember.
regard to
I don't
visits.
always remember. I have hundreds of cases.
Yeah, I have
But,
reports
so
from
Ms.
kind of
Armentrout,
If he can send a message in regards to children only and not bash me or try to intimidate me or threaten me, I'll reply. But unless he does that, I'm not replying to his messages. In fact, there was a sergeant.
okay,
that-
so
not
Mr.
to contact me
Cleveland,
anymore.
why don't you contact Miss Edwards and set up her next available Monday or Tuesday and have her leave a message or contact Miss Armentrout with the date and time, and we'll go from there. And I'm gonna set this out to July 17th, just review it. Miss Armentrout, obviously when Miss Edwards contacts you, make sure you comply with that, all right?
I'll get a hold of her after.
All right, very good. All right, thank you, Mr. Cleveland. Thank you, Ms. Armentrout.
Your Honor, will there be any makeup days for this or no?
We'll address that when we come back on the 17th.
Okay.
This is in the matter of Andrea Hawken versus Eric Zay, file number 2014-40451 DS. This is a date and time set for show cause in this matter. Neither party has appeared. Ms. Hawken owes $922 a month in child support. And as of today's date, she has an arrearage in excess of $4,624. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for her arrest. Set bond in the amount of $1,500.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, what was the bond?
$1,500.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Apparently I'm deaf this morning, sorry.
Okay. Brandon Stamper, welcome up to the podium. All right, Ms. Maher, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, this is in the matter of Cassie Ann Maher versus Brandon Lee Stamper, file number 2017-44718DM. I have Mr. Stamper present in the courtroom and Ms. Maher via Zoom. All right, we adjourned the hearing from June 12 to today. You were ordered to pay $800 toward your child support. You came in on June 20 and you paid $600. Do you have the other $200
No, I won't have until Friday.
this Friday?
This one.
All right. Miss Adams, do I have anything available on, that's my next day is actually July 26th. So Friday morning?
Probably mid Friday afternoon when he comes in.
Okay. Is it deposited online?
No. No, it's just paper.
Just paper
Yeah.
paycheck? All right, so I'm gonna order that you pay the remaining $200 by Friday at 4. Okay,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna set this out to, so that would be your June payment. All right, so Mr. or Miss Pelham, I ordered that he pay $800, but the monthly charge is only $400, right?
Correct. Let me double check. Correct. Yes.
Okay, and then the arrearage, he would have to pay like $450 on to get some on the arrearage, correct?
Yeah, I'd be happy with $450 a month.
All right, so once you pay the balance of the $800 this Friday, all I need you to pay is $450 a month.
Okay.
And that'll be knocking down your arrearage plus your monthly amount.
Okay.
So I'm gonna set this out to Ms. Adams. Do I have July 31 available?
531. Yes.
All right, so I'm going to set this to July 31 just to make sure you make the payment. Now, Mr. Stamper, if you make the payment at least a week in advance, it'll show on our system and Ms. Pelham can dismiss this, okay?
Okay.
So I just need you to make the payment of $450 a month. So pay the $200 in cash this Friday. And then going forward, it'll be $450 a month and I'll adjourn it out to July 31, just to make sure you made the $450 payment, all right?
Okay.
All right, thanks for wearing a mask when you're sick. Ms.
Judge.
Pelham?
He said he's working. Is he working for cash or where's he working at?
I've left it on a voicemail several times. I don't hear anything back from him. I'm working in Dearborn, Michigan at the oil exchange.
At where?
The oil exchange?
Okay.
Yep.
What is the name of the company called?
Yes.
Oil
Yes.
Exchange?
Yes.
Okay,
Can you give me a,
yeah, he is right now.
The
Okay.
address is 22200 Outer Drive, Dearborn, Michigan.
2222. Say it again.
00.
00. So 222200.
Hold on. 22200 Outer Drive.
Okay, 22200 Otter Drive,
Dearborn, Michigan.
Dearborn, Michigan. Got a phone number?
I don't know the zip code. It's,
Don't worry about the zip, we'll figure that out.
313-563-9010.
313-563-9010.
Yes.
All right, so are you being paid under the table or are you getting a paycheck?
No, I filled out W-2, everything. Yes.
Okay, so watch your check and divide it by 4. And if they haven't deducted it, make that weekly portion of the payment
Okay,
until they start taking it out of your check, all right?
okay.
All right, anything else, Ms. Pelham?
Nope, just when you call, leave your phone number. I can't return your call if you don't leave your number for me.
No problem.
We don't have caller ID on our phone,
Done that
so,
several times.
okay,
No problem.
thank you.
All right, have a
If you
good-
want to stop downstairs, just give her your phone number.
Okay.
I just want to do it live. Okay, thank you. Right, in the matter of Amber Collins versus Darius Collins, file number 2018-45122 DN. Darius Collins, is that you? Okay, why don't you come up to the podium? Okay, good morning. So this is in the matter of Amber Renee Collins versus Darius Dwayne Collins, file number 2018-45122 DM. We were last here. We have not received any payments since 2021. So you were ordered to appear in person and provide proof of submitted job applications. You were also ordered to make a payment. You have a monthly charge of $643 a month, and you have an arrearage in excess of $17,610, which is well above the felony levels. So you've got a folder with you. So you've been submitting applications.
Yeah, and I just got a job on Friday.
You got a job? Good job. Where are you working at?
Clinton, Hardwoods.
Oh, the hardwoods? Okay, all right. So great. When do you start?
Sorry, got to start getting everything on.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
Said, my
His
start
paper.
date and everything's on the.
she's got his paperwork. So Mr. Vasquez is your caseworker. So is that a copy that we can have? All right, so what I'm gonna do is adjourn this out to July 17th. And then could you drop that off down at front of the court for Mr. Vasquez? Is there anything else you need, Mr. Vasquez?
Oh, as long as the active employer with the information, so I can send out the income withholding.
All right, so do you know what your hourly rate is going to be?
It's on, everything's on the paper, this day,
I'm asking you.
about 15.
15? All right, and how many kids are in this file?
3.
3, okay. All right, so.
I also have a review set up for August 2nd.
Good job. All right, so good. All right, so we'll see you back on July 17th. Know that until it starts coming out of your check, you can make a weekly payment.
Yeah.
You know.
Like I said, I do have a review set for August 2nd, so wouldn't it be better go first?
Want to adjourn it past that?
Your Honor, he had a support review. I don't believe it was.
No, there's a
objected
referee
to,
being in place.
and
He
I
has a
think,
referee hearing. He said on August 2nd.
I think he filed a separate hearing after his objection period had ended
Got
to his
paperwork.
support recommendation.
Sorry, signed by you and everything.
Okay, well, it looks like it's set for hearing, so. All right, I'll set this for August 28th. Is that a good date, Ms. Adams?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll set it for August 28th at 8 AM. And drop that paperwork off to Mr. Vasquez, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you. In the matter of LaShawna Allen versus Charles Johnston, file number 2019-46193 UM, that matter was dismissed. the matter of Kyla Emmons versus Michael Hamden. Hold on, got somebody named Big Mikey, so maybe that's Mr. Hamden. All right, I have somebody with an iPhone with the name of Big Mikey's iPhone. What is your name, sir?
Michael Hamden.
Okay, so in the matter of Kyla Emmons versus Michael Hamden, file number 20-47698 UN, sir, that's been adjourned to July 17th
Okay.
at 8 AM. Okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, there you are. Why don't you come on up? Bring her back in. All right, this is in the matter of Sabrina Rivera versus Juan Carlos Rocha, file number 2022-49709 UN. All right, so Mr. Rocha, you were ordered to do a couple things by today. So did you get your state ID or your driver's license?
No, I went twice Friday and they need my birth certificate. She told me I could go to a virtual court or something to order it from Ohio to get here so I can get that. So I'm gonna try to do that today. Borrow the money from my brother to do it or whatever. It's $16.
Okay, to get your birth certificate.
So I can schedule another appointment to go back
Okay,
up. To get
what county were you born in?
Ohio or Henry?
Henry County, Ohio?
Yeah.
All right. Okay,
Like it's just expired and it's from Ohio, so it's hard. You said to go get a state identification, but they need a birth certificate. I didn't know that.
right.
Come to a different state.
Shouldn't
Yeah.
wait until like 3 days before the hearing, right?
Yeah, awesome. Well, I went up there a couple of times, but they want you to scan the QR code, but I have no service when I leave the house on, Wi-Fi data or whatever, Facebook.
Okay, all right, and are you working yet?
No, man.
Because you don't have an ID.
Well, not because I don't have ID, but I mean, I'm also applying for jobs. I got an Indeed app account, you know what I mean? I don't have a vehicle, so, like Crimson Holdings where I live by and PPG, like certain areas where I can walk, I've been applying there, but it's just the weekend, you know what I mean? It's Monday now, so I'm gonna
Okay,
hear something back.
so PPG is always hiring. There's another place in Chelsea that has a bus that picks up in Adrian and also picks up in Jackson. Can't remember what the name of that factory is.
Well, hopefully by the end of this week, I can get my license renewed.
Yeah, you're right. What is it? Martin Ria?
Martin, yeah.
So they have a bus service that picks up in Adrian. Okay, all right. So, Mr. Rocha. All right, so I'm gonna give you a couple weeks to get that done, but that means you work on it today and tomorrow.
Well, also my brother and my mother, they're trying to help me purchase this vehicle in Ohio, the Durango, you know what I mean? So I can renew my license, have a vehicle, and have transportation to that job.
You owe $132 a month in child support. You could mow a couple lawns.
I don't have a mower. I mean, I understand what you're saying. I just had a baby too, which I hope my girl, have my baby, and I have my son from Ohio who's 13.
Okay.
He came to stay with me for the summer too. So it's not like I'm not looking
I
for
know.
work, ma'am.
Don't
I'm
have
also
any more
taking
babies.
care of my
No
kids
more
that I got.
babies.
Huh?
Don't have any more babies. Can't afford.
God's gift.
Yeah. So, all right, so I'm gonna adjourn this to July 17. It's gonna be in person though.
Okay.
All right. You're ordered to pay $132.22 a month. You need to start paying that. Here. And then I want you to work on your ID this week and next week because you gotta have it when you come back. All right? July 17th at 8 o'clock. Okay? And if you get employment and if you get your ID, bring it in and have copies made of what you need downstairs and let them know your employer. And, we'll adjourn this out further, all right? Okay. If you need a job locally in Adrian, free bicycle, they have free bicycles. A lot of people ride a bike to work. All right, cars are expensive. Okay, all right, so we'll see you back on July 17th at 8 a.m., all right? All right, don't wait to July 15th to try to process this paperwork, all right?
The 16th?
No,
No,
17th.
I'm just playing.
Okay.
It'll be soon, it'll be this.
All right. Okay, so hopefully, Ms. Rivera. We'll see. All right, thank you, Ms. Rivera.
Thank you.
Austin Doobie, why? No. In the matter of Faith Star Double versus Austin James, I think it's Doobie, D-U-B-Y, file number 22-49172 DS. This is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Doobie was present back on April 3rd.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yeah.
Can I adjourn that out to 7:31, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is in the matter of Catherine Baldwin versus Brantley Tubert, file number 21-48796 DC. Mr. Tubert is present via Zoom. Catherine Baldwin is not present. This is the date and time scheduled for a show cause. Mr. Tubert, you are ordered to pay $299 a month in child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage in excess of $5,149. The last payment we received was an involuntary payment of $1,324 back on March 7th of 2022. So, Mr. Tubert, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I need you to scoot up a little bit so I can hear you better because you're pretty faint. Now, Mr. Tubert, do you understand that if you fail to pay your child support and the court finds you in contempt, you could be facing a maximum penalty of up to 45 days in jail on a first contempt and 90 on a second. Do you understand that?
I do understand, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Tubert, are you currently employed?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you on Social Security disability?
No, I am not.
Okay. So, Mr. Tubert, why don't you have a job?
I'm currently going through some health issues right now. I've had a bit of difficulty getting in touch with the friend of the court. I did reach out in October initially to my representative, Sue. I reached out again a couple other times, the most recent being March 10th, but I haven't been able to get in touch with Sue at all.
Okay, so do you have a medical condition that makes you unable to work according to a doctor?
It could potentially be that way. I have a very serious rheumatoid issue, which is causing a lot of joint pain and movement restrictions. My primary care physician cannot properly diagnose it, so I am waiting to see a specialist. It's been about 7 months now. I've been waiting. I was supposed to see them on the 16th of this month, I believe. However, it was rescheduled to August 4th of this year. And as of right now, the only thing that my primary care can give me is a high dose muscle relaxer, which makes me unable to perform any work related tasks. I can't operate any machinery. I can't drive or anything while I'm on it. And they are, it's a 24/7.
So do you have documentation from your doctor of that?
I do have the scripts for the medicine. Yes, I quit taking it because I can't. I can't do anything. I'm doing small, part-time work when I can for my parents.
Okay,
I'm
so
just trying to.
Mr. Tubert, you need to do one of two things. You have to pay on this. If you're doing part-time work for your parents, then you have to be making payments on this. You also need to go to your doctor if he believes you are unable to physically work. You need to get a letter stating that. Ms. Pelham, I obviously don't want to put too much out on YouTube, but do you want a breakout room with him for a moment with him to get more information? No, or
No, if he can provide, if he's got a doctor statement that says he can't work, which I don't believe he does, provide it to me. Otherwise, that's up to you.
okay. So, Mr. Tubert, until we get a document stating that you can't work, it's still charging. Do you understand that?
I understand.
And so you have to make payments. You have a balance of $5,149. If it gets too much higher, the state of Michigan is going to charge you with a felony, and then you're going to have a felony on your record. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. If I could be given the proper channels to get in touch with whoever I need to at the front of the court.
Well, all you need, I mean, there's nothing we can do about that right now until you get a letter from a physician. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So your caseworker is Ms. Pelham. There's the email, telephone, but you can always come to the front window too if you're not able to reach anybody. All right.
The front window at the front of the court or the courthouse?
Well, front of the court is in the courthouse in the basement. There's a front window for front of the court.
Okay.
You can always drop off documentation. All right, so Mr. Tubert, this is a first show cause for you, so I am going to adjourn this to July 17th. One of two things need to happen. You either need to provide documentation you're physically unable to work at this time, or two, you need to make payments, okay?
Okay.
All right, so July 17th at 8 a.m. If you get that letter from your doctor, feel free to bring it to the courthouse and drop it off if you need to, okay?
Okay.
Anything else, Ms. Pelham?
No, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Tubert.
Yep. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. So, Mr. Morris.
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is in the matter of Kayla Marie Morris versus Edgar Thurber Morris IV, file number 22-49197DM. We'll be with you next, all right? Ms. Thornton, we'll be right
Okay,
with you, all
thank you.
right?
All right.
Thank you. It's all right. Hold on, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. All right, so Mr. Morris, this is a show cause for a parenting time violation. All right, so Kayla advised that on April 1 of 23, is Kayla in here? No, she's not in my waiting room either. Edgar was on a Zoom visit with a minor child and was talking to his girlfriend about being able to report her for planning during his parenting time while minor child could hear. There's an order dated December 2nd of 22 that neither party shall discuss this case or the domestic violence case with a minor child. So be able to report her. So I assume she's saying that you said you were going to report Kayla for something. So, Mr. Morris, do you understand that's a violation alleged against you?
Yeah,
All right.
it was
So-
never said like
Okay,
that.
all right. So here's
It
what
was
I'm gonna
just
say.
getting
This
turned around.
just
Okay,
so we've not been here before on this, right?
no,
So it's real easy to talk in the background and not realize this or that's going on. So going forward, just make sure nothing's ever mentioned or there's no conversations in the background or anything that could be construed, so we don't end up here on a show cause, all right? Just say yes.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so, and you too, all right? So just nothing, just talk to your kid. Don't get upset, don't talk about each other. I would tell her that if she was here, but she's not here, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so thank you, and I'll dismiss the show cause.
All right.
Thank you. All right. And this. In the matter of Kamisha Bridges versus Caleb Slusher. So I think Caleb was here earlier.
Was?
I think so. In my waiting room, there's a Caleb.
I've got a warrant form on his other case if he did.
Well, he's not here now, so.
Okay.
This
there we
is in
go.
the matter of Kamisha Bridges versus Caleb Slusher, file number 22-49852 DP. This is date time set for a show cause. Might have been a Caleb with a C. Mr. Slusher is ordered to pay $243 a month of child support. As of today's date, has an arrearage in excess of $2,312. He has failed to appear. Ugh, and he's never made a payment. So I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. And I'm going to set bond in the amount of $2,312.
2,312.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, I got Austin Taylor. You're next, Mr. Thornton. I just wanted to go off YouTube for a culture case. All right, this is in the matter of Michaela Williams versus Austin Teal, file number 22-50147DS. This is a date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Teal, you look like you're at work right now.
Yes, I am actually. I've been waiting for a little while. I thought it was at 8 o'clock, not 9.
It was. We just had a ton of them today. So, Mr. Teal, where are you working at?
I'm working at Fry Crisp in Jackson.
Okay, and you get a paycheck there?
Yes, I do. I'm waiting
With
on my.
taxes? And it gets taxes taken out?
Yes.
All right, and what's the name? Fry Crisp?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Like the
And,
full brand Fry Crisp.
okay, got it. All right, I use that. All right, good job. All right, so, and it's in Jackson, Michigan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold on. All right, so it's 3514 Wayland Drive, Jackson, Michigan.
Mhm.
And I'm looking for a phone number for you. Good job. So you're ordered to pay $340 a month in child support. We're gonna set up an income withholding. Do you have another child support case?
I did with Battle Creek, but I think that one's completely done.
Fry crisp.
Okay, all right. So Mr. Teal, we're gonna set up an income withholding. You're ordered to pay $340 a month. You do have an arrearage. So I'm gonna need you to pay some extra. How many people live in your household?
As of right now, just me and my son, but we're gonna have to move here soon. We're actually moving in with my girlfriend.
It's not the son from this case, though.
No, it's my other child that I have full custody of.
Okay, all right, so understand we're gonna put an income withholding in place and, all right, so I'm gonna order that you pay $360 a month because I want something going towards your arrearage, which means, I'm sorry. You have to pay $90 a week, all right? So, I know, I just, so you have to pay $90 a week. So I want you to check your paycheck. If it doesn't come out of your paycheck that week, make the payment online, all right?
All right, I will.
Once it comes out of your paycheck, you don't have to make the payment online anymore, all right?
All right, sounds good.
Miss Pelham, what would you like to do?
Did you say Fry Crisp?
Yeah, it's Fry Crisp. It's a company, FRY space KRISP.
Okay.
And I gave you the address. Did you get the address?
I got it.
Yeah, you know, they make the batter mix for like frying fish.
Okay, let's adjourn it out 2 months. And that's if he's got, if the income withholding comes in, I'll dismiss it. Okay.
All right, so let's do August 28th.
Okay, sounds good.
So sir, we'll adjourn this out to August 28th. If you're making the payments, they'll end up dismissing it. So good job and good luck at your new job, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If you move, change your address with me in writing, okay?
Will do,
All right.
ma'am.
Good job, thanks.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you guys. Have a good one.
You too. Okay, so I think that covers everything, but block my